I discovered the reason why you're not yet where you want to be. And in this video, I'm going to help you manifest the best year so far. 2025, it's going to be so powerful for you. I can feel it, I can sense it, and I know it. All you need to do is follow my steps. Watch my previous video that I posted yesterday about how to reflect on the 2024 and release the negative energies from the past year, and how to step into the new year with a clean slate, but also not completely clean. We want to take the stuff that we learned in 2024. But in this video, as I said yesterday, I'm going to share with you action steps. So these are going to be, I have my notes here. So these are going to be action steps. But the whole point of my channel and of all of this is that you need to implement these things. So it's not only that you watch the video. I know me sometimes also before I watch the videos and like I would just watch it, and oh, funny story, interesting, but then I wouldn't implement what the person was saying. So it's really important for you to take your notebook right now and take notes. This is so powerful. I am teaching you something that really helped me to completely change my life. I've been through a lot of stuff in my life, a lot of things. I am free of so many burdens, free of addictions, all of the addictions, free of all this negativity that I had before, like comparing and envy and feeling less than, and a lot of insecurities, taking everything personal, like a lot of things that changed in my life, and really stepped into the power of someone who can take care of themselves. I came to live in Bali. I work for myself as a coach. I have my own business, and I have clients who benefit from what I do. I live in my purpose. So I want you to know that I definitely know something about life. I definitely know how you can finally remember who you are, because I feel like this is the journey of spiritual awakening. It's actually remembering who you are. This is what this is what I'm helping you to do, to remember how powerful you are, and then to manifest the desired outcome. So you and I together, we are going to manifest the best year so far. In 2025, we are finally stopping playing small. We are gonna go all in. We are gonna embody. So this is my word for 2025. I want you to find, that is gonna be the first step. I want you to find a word that is gonna represent what you want to achieve, or just the word that describes your year. So maybe it's gonna be health for you, maybe wealth, maybe partnership, maybe embodiment, like for me, maybe manifest, maybe desire, maybe joy, maybe peace. It depends on what you want. For me, my word, I actually have two words, and honestly I don't want to choose between them, because they are the two words that I'm definitely gonna be remembering 2025. The first word is embodiment. I am gonna embody everything that I teach, everything that I say, everything that I do, everything. I'm gonna fully embody it. And the second word is manifest. For me, these two things are basically the same. Why? Because when you embody the teachings, when you become it, you are manifesting it, you are seeing it, you are gonna see it. So this is for 2025. I feel like the 2024 was a year of learning for a lot of us, a lot of transformation. But finally in 2025, I want you to really go all in. I don't want you to have any regrets. I don't want you to look back and think, why didn't I do any action steps? Why wasn't I disciplined? I want you to really go all in, because I want you to know that it is possible. And I realize that people, I always have a fly in my room. I realize that people actually, they don't do the action, they don't take the action steps only because they don't believe. They don't believe that this is gonna give them results. And it's about, that's why manifestation world, and generally like also that I teach, is first go in your subconscious. First you need to become aware, okay, what do I believe about myself? What do I believe about the world? What do I believe that is possible for me? And then you feel something. There is a feeling. How do I feel when I have those beliefs? And then that propels you to take the action. So one of the biggest lessons I have shared also, it was like so huge for me to realize. I was asking myself, why am I not seeing what I think that I am embodying? How am I not seeing it? Because as I told you, when you embody it, you must see it. When you are it, you must observe it. It is the law. I will be teaching universal laws also, but it is the law. So I was asking myself, why am I not seeing what I feel like I am embodying? But when I was truly honest with myself, with those questions I shared with you yesterday, please watch that video, I realized that actually, no, I wasn't. No, I wasn't taking the action. No, I wasn't believing in myself as much as I can. I know that I wasn't. And when I became clear with myself, then I feel the switch in timelines. And I do feel like now I am gonna see it. And you are gonna see it too, my friend. You are gonna see it. You are gonna see it very soon. Very soon. I just want you to follow this step. So the first step, I want you to choose a word. Best you can choose one word, not like me, 2 words. One word that is gonna represent your year. What is important in the next year for you? Think about it. You can put it on your walls, you can tattoo it, like whatever you want. You need to remember, this is your word, this is what you are manifesting, this is what you want. Okay? So, when you do that, the second step I want you to do is to write down your spiritual practice. So what this means, is write down what spiritual practices are you going to be doing every single day. These are non-negotiable spiritual practices. I am going to share with you my routine and what I do and what truly helped me manifest my my move to Bali and many, many other things. I was envisioning this. This was in my visualization. This didn't happen by accident. There were so many things I did. I became to be here right now. And one of the things is this. I had a strict spiritual practice that I was following almost every day, and that is that every morning I would do a meditation. I'm going to share with you in the description. I would feel the feeling. I would envision myself in the streets of Bali. I would hear the scooters. I would feel the sun on my skin. I was here in my mind, in my imagination. And remember, Neville Goddard, imagination is God. I was here before I was here physically. And then I was in the relationship. We couldn't come here. There was a lot of different things happening. It was also on my vision board. But things happen. This is the bridge of incidents. Incidents happen that unfolded. I went to the breakup. A lot of things happened, and suddenly I came here. So every morning, when you open your eyes, go into this state, go into the imagination state, go to the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This is really, really important. After that, you can do whatever you want. I do tapping, EFT. I like to read some things about myself. I like to do the exercise in the mirror to talk to myself, some affirmations that I want. What else do I do? In the evening, I like sometimes to journal, but not journal as in just writing some mad things that I'm feeling. Journaling with a goal. I am moving the energy. So if I feel something is bothering me, okay, I can share it in my journal, but then I am moving the energy. I am changing my perspective, and I am seeing this situation in a different light. So journaling, I also write every evening things I'm grateful for. So practice of gratefulness is really important. And also I like to learn something about spirituality or personal development. Every evening I like to tune into these beautiful energies that help me feel inspired every day. People wonder why I feel inspired. I feel inspired because I take care of myself. I take care of my inspiration. and you can too. Don't leave it to chance. You know, people think sometimes I'm inspired, sometimes I'm not inspired. It depends on a day. It doesn't depend on a day. It depends on you. You can make yourself feel inspired. We have all the drugs in our system. We are so powerful. We are so powerful. It is crazy how powerful we are. We are actually, I think, more scared of how powerful we are. But let's stay on the topic. So I shared with you some of the things I do, and it's really something that I enjoy doing. So I want you to think about something that you enjoy doing. Don't do journaling or gratitude journaling just because I said so. Find something that makes you feel alive. Maybe it's jumping, maybe it's also tapping, maybe it's speaking, maybe it's praying, maybe it's some hypnosis, maybe dancing, maybe massaging yourself. I don't know. Okay, massaging yourself is not, maybe it's not so spiritual practice, but you know what I mean. This is so funny. This is actually so funny. Wait, let me think about it. Massaging yourself. I think everything can be spiritual, but you know what I mean. So find a spiritual practice. I hope you're writing everything down. First step, find a word for 2025. Second step, write down your spiritual practice, morning and evening. If you even want so, you can even do a visualization in the middle of the day. The more you can tap into the imaginative state, the faster you will observe what you want to observe. I am telling you, this works 100%. Third task, I want you to write down it's called daily method of operations. So I want you to write down every day what you are gonna do, what action steps are you gonna take to move you towards your goal. Maybe you are not like me. Maybe you are, maybe you want to focus, let's say, on relationships, or maybe you want to focus on your physical body. So for you, it's going to be different. For me, what I do every day is moving me towards my goals in my business. I am a Capricorn. I'm very ambitious. I really love to work. This is my mission. This is what I do, and this is what is the most important for me, to be honest. So what is important for you in 2025? Think about it, and then think about what you're focusing on. So what is the area of your life that you're focusing on? Honestly, the more you can try to find maybe one or two areas of your life, it's gonna be better. Because when our energy is scattered all over the place, then we are just, our energy is not focused. So the more you can find that one area or two areas that you want to focus on, the better. Then write down your daily method of operations. What is this? These are activities, productive activities that are moving you forward your goal. This can be maybe something that can be income producing or non-income producing. For example, in my business, when I create content, if I don't have a link that is guiding them to buy something from me, it's not income producing. So if I want to reach a financial goal, then of course every day I should have at least one activity that I do that is income producing. So for example, it will be like a link to my offer, or maybe it's gonna be a sales call or something like that. So what in your business, if you want to choose business, is income producing, that is gonna help you to reach your financial goals. If your goal is more followers or whatever, then of course you're gonna, make more content, collaborate with other people, whatever. So daily method of operations is 3 to 6 things that you do every day. These are non-negotiables. I really want you to understand, and myself. I'm also speaking, it's so good that I'm actually doing this work, I cannot tell you how good it is that I'm actually doing this work, because when I am teaching, I am reminding myself also. So for all my coaches out there, the more you can help others, you're helping yourself on this journey. So it is really, really, really important to remember that we can say, you know, I had many days that actually I was distracted by other people. I had many distractions this year. I am not feeling well, or someone told me that I should work less, or people didn't understand my mission. But I know that if you are here with me on this journey on my YouTube channel, I know that you are like me. You are a driven soul. You have a mission, a purpose in this life. So for you, it's not really possible to, you know, work and then finish the work. This is your mission. This is important for you. So in that case, I want you to remember that even if you're not in the mood to do something, you are in the power of your own mood. So remember this, and remember what is your desire and why do you want what you want. When you remember the desire, when you remember the reason, then you're gonna feel inspired again. And when you take this inspired action, it's gonna propel you so much higher. So let me remind you again the 3 steps. First step is a word for 2025. The second step is your spiritual practice that you do every morning, every evening, that is gonna connect you, that is gonna make you conscious of your connection to the divine. So you're always connected to the spirits, you're of spirit, but sometimes we're not aware of it. So the spiritual practices are making you become more conscious and aware of your connection, of your divinity. The third step is to write your daily method of operations, which is to write the action steps that are going to take you closer to your goal. 3 to 6 things that you're going to do every day. And one more thing I also want to say is really remember, especially in the days of holidays, please remember, this is so important. You have these desires because already your I don't want to say future self, because it's everything happening in the now. You are already living that reality right now. And you have these desires for a purpose. I'm gonna cry now, but you have these strong desires for a reason. You are not like other people. That means that you cannot now just enjoy the holidays and live, let's say, in the simple life, because you're not meant to live a simple life. And it's nothing to say that simple people or simple life is bad. I'm not saying that, but this is just a reminder for you that if you feel like you're the black sheep of the family and you feel weird, and when you go to these social gatherings and holiday season is there, you feel like your thoughts and your brain and everything just works so differently than other people. I want to tell you that you are not alone. You're not alone, and you need to cherish your brain. You need to cherish your mission. You need to cherish your journey. Embrace it. Don't let yourself dim your light so you can be accepted by the majority. So maybe this is like something someone needed to hear. Anyways, follow these steps. Subscribe, it really means a lot. I'm building here a beautiful community of beautiful souls. We're gonna support each other on this journey. We're gonna manifest the best year so far. So if you're in it, if you wanna have daily inspiration, daily motivation, and you really wanna surround yourself with like-minded people, subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And please comment if you have any questions. I will be there to answer them. And yeah, be conscious and remember to have fun.